Hi guys, welcome back to Taste of Sugi. Today I'm going to be reviewing Banana Boat Sports UV SPF 50. So actually I'm not going to be applying this today, but you guys have really taken a liking to my videos when I apply the sunscreen on and put it all over my face, all over my legs, and I really show you how to fade hyperpigmentation, how to fade under eye darkness, how to clear dark spots, sunspots, get a glowing skin. I really go through the process, but this is really the creme de la creme. This is how you do it. This is my favorite sunscreen right now because it does not burn the eyes. I've said this on my other videos, and a couple of you commented like, how do you avoid the eye burn? I will be doing a video on how to avoid eye burning for any sunscreen here this week. So just follow this week and you'll see. This sunscreen is $8, 2 for $8 at Costco. And I just wanted to show you guys because I am also going to put out a option. If you would like to order this from me, I'll actually give you 2 for $5. If you don't have a Costco, maybe you would like to stay home and have something come to your door or to your post office. If you have a P.O. box, whatever works for you, because you know Costco membership is expensive. It's $60 or upwards of $75 a month if you get the executive membership. So if you would like me to give you a nice sunscreen, Banana Boats, 2 of them for $5, I've got you. And I'm more than happy to do that because I understand that budget-friendly sunscreens for glowing skin, fading hyperpigmentation, they don't come cheap. Affordability is very funny in the world of sunscreen because it does not exist. Everything with UPF, SPF, protective qualities are extremely expensive because it takes a lot of quality fabric to make an SPF hat that really protects you from the sun, yeah? Or a lotion that really can fade hyperpigmentation along with protecting you from the sun, staying on your skin throughout the day, things like that. So I just wanted to, I'll leave that here for just a little bit longer. I wanted to hop on here and show you this sunscreen. I really like it because I have this hyperpigmentation on my face. You can see right here. And the reason I'm not gonna apply this is because it's actually evening time. The UV is 0 here in Miami, so I'm gonna save my money, and there will be plenty of shorts tomorrow. I've posted yesterday another short of me applying and showing you how to use sunscreen, so there will be plenty more to come. I'm posting every other day, and I will be posting shorts daily. So my name's Sugi, and if you would like to learn more things about sunscreen, if you want this at your doorstep, at your post office, I'm your guy. But if you want to fade the hyperpigmentation, what I'm telling you is not every sunscreen is equal. So I'm really promoting this because this really did fade sun damage and glow my skin. It's a nice sunscreen for the day. It's safe for men, it's safe for women, it's nice for the body. It really does clear off darkness on the knees. You see how my knees are nice and even pigment. There is some sun damage right here, but I'm gonna even that out and I will show you the process. So this series that I'm starting on my channel is gonna be me showing you sunscreens that really put in the work. This has been around for 50 plus years here in America. I'm in the United States, here in Miami, Florida. And this works. Here in America, we love Banana Boat. And for Costco to offer 2 for $8, I was so pleased to see this because they are big. These are 10 fluid ounces. So I'm offering you, I will send these over to wherever, your post office, your P.O. box, your home. Just, I have in the description, I will have my email. You can contact me, and I'll have my Cash App, and just $5 for 2 10-ounce. Like, these are big, check. You know, these are big. Like, I'm trying to show you in comparison to my head, or in comparison to my body. But yes, and on my last video, I was getting some comments, and I was saying how this sweater is kind of bogus. It's not my style, yeah? But because it protects from the sun, and it really does make my elbow darkness go away, fade sun damage here. It just keeps I don't have to apply sunscreen, so it does save the money, you know, just less lotion, yeah? And yeah, I'm really excited. I'm pretty smitten because whenever I buy a sunscreen, it's just really fun to see the journey it's gonna have with my skin, because we all have something we want to heal. We all have a glow up we would like to have, yeah? And I'm telling you, all of the serums in the world will not do what this does, yeah? I want to show you on my channel, as I grow, what I've learned throughout the years. I've been an avid sunscreen wearer for solid, I would say 3 years strong, like where I've really put in the work, but I have studied for 4 years, not in college, but in my own personal life and in my own time, yeah? And I would like to just show you guys how to really level up your skin, glow up. As you can see, you know, my skin tone is fairly even, you know? I do keep a nice cover up here, you know? So whenever you want to see if your sunscreen is working or not, you want to look and see, how is my chest, you know? Is my neck darker? Maybe I should change my sunscreen. Am I getting dark spots? I apply regularly, but am I still getting darker? If you're still getting darker, change the sunscreen. This really works for me. This is a killer. This is Banana Boat Sports Sunscreen. I'm gonna head out here, but I just wanted to leave you guys with an update. I will be posting here full-length videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I just would like Tuesdays for me. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, yeah, so pretty much every single day except for Tuesday. And every day, including Tuesdays, I will be showing you guys new ways to use sunscreen, new ways to glow up your skin for men, grooming tips, lighten your skin, brighten your skin. I'm your guy. Dr. Dre, the dermatologist, I really want to show her just what she's really shown me over the years, because I am her baby, you know? I am a avid follower, watcher, believer, you know, not that she is a cult leader. She's a terrific dermatologist. I'm assuming if you are on this video, you also love Dr. Dre. This is not sponsored, so I don't need to hold it or put it in the video for any reason. I'm doing it because I really believe in it. I'm showing you guys authentic Sugi, you know? I'm showing you guys really what it is like to get nice skin, maintain, have it with cheap, easy tricks. You know, you don't need expensive things. I just got this hat today, for instance. And I don't know if I was just saying something. I will rewatch this and hate myself later, but I'll learn. So please forgive me if I've just trailed off. You'll have to grow with me. So leave me down a comment below if I have just forgotten something primal that I was just talking about. But the UPF hat that I've just bought, I actually got this at Costco as well. I'm really a Costco guy, a huge fan. And the reason I'm not gonna take this off is because I will also have hat hair. The sun has just gone down, so I've been wearing this for a couple hours. So I got this at Costco, and I would like to know if any of your dermatologists, estheticians, skin enthusiasts are also watching. Would I need to wear the hat more like this and bend it to really get the SPF that is claiming on the on the package, because I took off the ticket and it says that it's a 50 plus protection, this hat is. And moisture wicking, sweatband, terrific, interior adjustable sizing, made with recycled polyester, which I could care less about, but just so you know that last part, I like to just let you guys know what I am showing you guys. So this hat, which is also a Sunday hat from Costco, I got it for $6 in tax, so maybe $7, but I was really pleased because I thought, you know. But yes, as I was asking, any estheticians, skin enthusiasts, do you guys know, do I need to wear the hat down to get the 50 plus, or am I good to just wear it more like this? You know, I just am curious how I should actually, I need to change like everything about my angles, not that the lighting's changed, but I will finish this video now. How should I wear the hat? Do you know how I should clean the hat? I know this clearly isn't something I can throw in the wash. If you can't tell, it's like very coarse, nice sewn straw of some sorts. I will have to learn more about hats. If you also know more about hats and SPF protective quality hats and fabrics, please leave that below because I'm very curious. But if you guys know how to clean the hats, how you should really wear them, I'm gonna go on that journey. I'm gonna start showing you as I learn how to wear the hats. I'm telling you, I've got you on the sunscreen, but as far as hats, I'm new. I'm new to this world. I'm new to this world. But it's very effective. It fades the hyperpigmentation. It really goes far when you don't have to use products and you can just stick to a one-time purchase of buying a t-shirt or buying an umbrella. I've gotten this umbrella actually, and I actually cannot recall if this was, because my friend bought it for me, but I can't recall if this was a Costco purchase or if this was from elsewhere, but I will be reviewing this umbrella later this week, so follow along if you would like to see how to use an umbrella on my channel, because it's nice and big, and this is an SPF protective hat, excuse me. Umbrella, it's an SPF protective umbrella, and the claims are, it's a UPF 50 plus. So we'll see if the hat, and I'm really trying to fade these freckles here. I'm being very honest with you guys because I was on doxycycline, and the doxycycline for a tooth infection. The doxycycline really breaks me out. It's not the first time I've been on it, and I talked to the pharmacist about it, and he assured me that this is not common, but I'm telling you, like, it ruins my skin. So I have a lot to document with that, and that's gonna be part of the journey on the channel. I'm trying to block out the bad lighting with the hat. But I'll show you guys some things about the doxycycline experience, how I got the hyperpigmentation, how I'm going to fade the hyperpigmentation with yours truly, this and this. So you can see how confidently I will be showing you guys how to, because things happen, right? That doesn't mean we're not as beautiful or we're less intelligent or we can't fix whatever is going on. Confidently, I will show you how to fade your hyperpigmentation with this. I will show you how to fade your hyperpigmentation with sunscreen, retinol, protecting yourself from the sun, healthy habits such as this, wearing long sleeves, and if you would like any sunscreen, just hit the link below. I have the Cash App, I have my email, and I will be answering your comments. So thank you for checking out my show. I don't know what I will be editing out because the lighting is crazy, but I'm gonna do my best to keep this just stream of consciousness, because you guys really left me plenty of emails telling me how much you like these type of videos. So I'm gonna keep at it. I'm here every day Tuesdays, no long form videos, only shorts. So I love you guys. Thank you for all the support. Peace.